Hello everybody, welcome to this semester fall 2022. In this video you will see information about Gateway and Smart Choice books to help you exploit the audios and visual materials of the books and mark correct answers. Also, in this video you will see how to find online quizzes and how the teachers are supposed to grade them. Please make sure in the classes the students do have their own books and use them. If you need to use some audios or activities that your lesson plan indicates, go to this page using Tehuacan Supervisor as username and the password that was provided in the training. However, at the end of the video, you will see a useful file called Logins and Passwords Fall 2022 where you will find all accounts and passwords. After you log in, there will be all 6 levels categories of Smart Choice from starter to level 5. Also, you will be able to see your name and the time of the class you are teaching. Please click where it says preview to access the resources. If your lesson plan indicates that you have to practice grammar, vocabulary, bonus vocabulary, conversation, or play a video, this part is where the teacher can find it. Choose it based on the unit. In the menu where it says resources, you are able to download everything from audios to worksheets. Let's now see how you will be able to check your students' homework. Go back to the main menu with all the levels by clicking on Home and select the time of your level you are teaching. For example, this is about Bill 4 to 5 level starter. By clicking on Student button, the list of students who already registered their books using the information provided in the WhatsApp chat will appear. If they are not on the list, remind your students to register themselves or ask for help in the office. The app grades homework automatically. Teachers will only make sure if the homework belonging to the unit was completed. Then, record this in the grading spreadsheet before every Friday. You must be careful in level 3, 4, and 5. There are some activities in writing and speaking that the teacher has to grade it manually. Make sure your students have submitted it first. Right? That was about the Smart Choice resources. Now, on this page, teachers are able to see the book in its digital version. After you log in to this page, teacher can see a bookshelf with many books. Please only follow the Smart Choice 4th edition that we are currently using this year, unless you are teaching a private student using the 3rd edition. When you select the book for using, you will be able to see the book with many features. Making notes, show answers, clear page. You will also be able to play videos or audios of the page. And to save time, you can jump to a different page instantly, only by typing the number of the page and it will pop it up. When the internet is not working well, please just use the physical ones you already have. And always be prepared ahead of time with all your materials. videos, audios downloaded, etc. Help doesn't want you to have an awkward moment in class. Now, if you are teaching high levels, B1 or B2, you will be using different resources. Advanced 1, Advanced 2 are using Gateway books, completely different between Smart Choice. For these levels, teachers will be using different accounts and passwords to log in. Teachers can also find them in the file Logins and Password Fall 2022. After you log in, teacher will be able to select Gateway Second Edition. Then choose the B2 tab, clicking on Gateway Second Edition B2 Digital Students Book. Finally, click on View. Select the digital book. The teacher will see all units for this book in its digital version. Here is where the audios and videos are. Now, in the teacher's drive, you can use this file, which it is really useful. Here you can find all passwords and usernames. Only typing it in the search browser of the drive. If you cannot find it, please ask Rachel. Be careful not to delete or change letters, because all changes get saved for everyone. Now, in these coming slides, the teacher will see how to check weekly online quizzes made in Google Forms that students are supposed to take every Friday after class. In the teacher's drive, you're gonna see a purple folder named Smart Choice Online Quizzes. After you open it, teachers will be able to find their quizzes according to their levels and the time of class they are teaching. Let's choose level 3. In this part, teachers have to make sure they are clicking on the correct one they have regarding their schedule. The first 3 units are already uploaded, which have to be covered in this month of September. From after Friday's class until Sunday night, students will be able to respond to their quizzes at home. You can check it throughout the weekend or on Monday at the latest to mark their answered quizzes. Teachers have to double check students' answers and record these scores in the correct rating spreadsheet. The format has 3 options: questions, responses, and settings. Please click on responses, then individual. Finally, you will see that the app grades it automatically. However, teachers must double check consciously. Scrolling down, you will see some corrections that the app has made. If that didn't happen, teacher has to make the corrections and assign a corresponding point. Be careful in the writing section. Right here, the teacher has to add feedback. And please save all your changes after grading each quiz. Finally, send it back to the student by clicking on Release Score. Teacher has to divide the results out of the total, then multiply by 10 to get a decimal number, and this will be the score. This is because in Mexico all grades have to be out of 10. Record this score in the corresponding spreadsheet, grading spreadsheet. I hope this video was not too boring and was helpful. Once again, welcome to fall semester 2022. And please, no stress and have fun in your classes. In the description below of this video, there will be the different links to access in each platform. Let's take a peek.